Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called to Sum BST. So in this problem, we have been given two BSTs, which is binary search tree, and we need to find if any of the values of the nodes sum up to this target. Okay, so in this tree, we can see that 1 and 0 is 1, then 1 and 1 is 2, 1 and 3 is 4. So none of them sum up to 5. Then 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. So therefore, there exists a sum which makes it to the target. So therefore, we return true here because we found a sum which makes it the target. So in this problem, what we can do is that first we can, understand how we can solve it by brute force. So that is by taking one particular element node from one tree and then trying every possible combination in the other tree, then taking one particular node in one tree, in the first tree, and then trying every possible combination in the second tree. In this way we try to find different combination, but here the time complexity would be a lot. So to optimize it, what we can do is that first we can go through this tree and store the value of target minus the root's the value of the root. Okay, so whatever value that we have on that particular node, we have target minus root val and we store it in a set. Okay, now what we do is that whatever the rest value would be obviously present, if it is present in the secondary, then we know that those two sum up to the target, because we know that target is equal to uh, root val plus root 2 val. So which means if I take this here, so therefore root 2 val would be equal to target minus root 1 val. So therefore we know that if we found this element in the second tree, then we know that we found the two sum target of both these elements. Okay, so let's code it and it will be more clear to you. So first of all, what we'll be doing is that we'll be maintaining an ordered set for storing the elements st, and then what I'll be doing is, first of all, I'll be calling in order on the first tree. Okay, so I pass this and I make a function called in order where I have tree node root 1 comma int target, and I perform in order here. So if root is not equal to learn pointer, so first of all, in order, what we do is that we first go to the left and we maintain the target as it is. And as I mentioned in the first tree, what we'll be doing is that we'll be storing it in the set and storing it as target minus roots value. Okay, and in order continues where we go to the right. Okay, so this would be there in one of the functions where we'll be storing the uh, in order of first tree, and we'll be storing the target minus root value, which is the root 2 values. Okay, now we'll also be maintaining a result. I initialize it to false first, and I'll be calling the second function in order root 2 and target to perform the in order on the root 2. So void in order 2 tree node star root 1 root, let's name it root target, and we check if root exists, then in order 2 root left and target, and then we check if st.find roots val. So if we find the root val in the set and it is not equal to st.end, then what we do is that we make the result as true, and otherwise we go to the right of the tree and pass target. Okay, so coming back to the main function, we have performed the two in orders, and then we know that if we have found the element, if we found the two sums, then we have made the result as true. So therefore we return result here. Okay, so let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. So root 1 target minus, yeah, root 1. Let's submit it. All right, so I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it and do like the video and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you.